All right, guys. Joe Saglimbeni here, back again. 2025, another new video. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to the year, and I hope to create a lot of content for you guys out there. I'm kind of excited, and I hope to get on a roll. But today, I wanted to talk about an item, something that was life changing to me, really, and could be life changing to you. And I think it is life changing, and that is a notebook, just a simple notebook. I think this is the most life changing thing that you could possibly have. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, when I was in my early 20s, I was considering becoming a financial planner. And what I did was I was on the path. I went to school, I went to college, and I was thinking of becoming a financial planner. And I ended up not becoming a financial planner, but I would write notes about my investments, about goals, where I would be 10, 20, 30 years out. And I remember I have this book, it's somewhere in storage. I have a notebook just like this one that in the end of at the end of the notebook, I have a final tally of what my stock portfolio would be worth at like 65, I believe. 65 or 67. And it was something like 1.6 million dollars. Now remember, when I was writing in that notebook, I was maybe 22 or 3, something like that. And and I would take a calculator, figure out, actually I would probably write it by hand back then, and times it by around 8% return, because back then people was saying the stock market does 8 or 9%, the S&P 500 does 8 or 9%, and I would tally up how much money I was putting in a week or a month and compound it over 20, 30 years and get to a number. And that book throughout my 20s uh, motivated me to save, because I started tracking my investments because of that book. And I think this is what's the key to my consistency on my stock investing. So nowadays, I use this book not only for finance. I do finance on a spreadsheet, but this book I use for ideas. I'm starting to use it uh, this year for ideas for this YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, because when I have a thought, I keep it in my car. When I have a thought, or I keep it close to me. I have a thought of a video I want to do, or some kind of content I want to create, or even an idea of maybe a future book, or an idea, a theory, something. I write it down quickly, and those ideas can end up becoming something important, or maybe even a video. And so I thought I'd make a video on how important having a notebook is, and how life changing it could be. So for me, it was life changing because it it focused me on investing, and to consistently invest and track it when I was coming out of college. And I ended up, doing pretty good, and ended up using some of that money I had in back in the day, and ended up buying a piece of property. the house that I basically live in. Well, one led to another, and now I have a house, and that really begins here in this notebook. So that's really what I wanted to say, guys. That I think it's time that, if you're worried about something, or if you're starting something, even if you're starting a YouTube channel, maybe get a little journal or a notebook, buy one, start writing notes down, writing ideas down. Just write. Use it as a idea creator, or something that remembers your ideas. Because if you don't write them down, you may forget it, and you may not either create, invest, or make that idea become your passion. And that's what I think has been one of the most important things in my life. So I just wanted to make a quick video about that, and hope that you guys are back enjoying my channel, and I'm really glad to be back, and hopefully I can do these videos. As you know, it's a busy time for me now, and to get these videos done, I have to do them quick. Not much editing, not much. So there's going to be a lot of mistakes. It's just going to happen, and you know what? I just want to get a video up there, get it going. It's going to be not the, it's not going to be the best video in the world, but this is me. My true self is coming out, uh, and I'm just going to continue, and I hope this year is a great year for my YouTube channel, and of course my usual subscribe, like, let that algorithm work for me, guys, and good luck with your journey, and go out and get a notebook. All right, guys, thanks so much, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.